Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Oil-producing communities in Akwa, Ibom and Cross River states have commended the Niger Delta Development Commission (Nddc) for its impactful intervention in the crises of underdevelopment they have had to contend with over the years. The communities gave the commendation during a recent media tour of project sites in both states to ascertain the impact of Nddc projects on their socio-economic well-being.
Over 200 Nddc projects at various stages of completion are located in Cross River State to foster development in rural and urban centers. They include installation of solar power street lights, construction of well-paved roads, culverts for erosion control, and bridges built to link hitherto isolated coastal communities to major towns and Calabar, the Cross River State capital. Residents of several communities impacted by Nddc projects say the Commission has lived up to its mandate as an intervention agency, especially in road construction projects.
Before now, the road was like a den where robbers, the passers by stand here and they seize people's phones when the road was a bad state. But since this road was constructed, I think the traffic flow of passers-by have at least discouraged those miscreants.
Since the Nddc came into the environment, we have a good soft landing and the development has come in. The shops, houses, people have been steady. They will come back home.
Over the years, Calabar municipality has been a major beneficiary of Nddc projects in the education sector. One of such projects is the upgrading and equipment of the computer science laboratory at the Technical College, Ekot Efanga. As part of efforts to upgrade infrastructure at the University of Calabar, the Nddc has completed a project awarded to construct internal roads and drainages to ease commuting on campus. Vice Chancellor of the university, Professor Florence Obi, says the Nddc intervention has made life on campus easier for staff and students of the institution.
We are overwhelmed. We are so happy. We are so excited with all the projects that Nddc has carried out in Unica, especially the road projects.
The recent media tour of project sites in the Niger Delta suggests that Akwa Ibom State also has its own fair share of Nddc projects evenly distributed across 31 local government areas of the state. These projects include rehabilitation of internal roads at Etoy community in Uyo local government area, which has made it possible for farmers to access other communities to sell their farm produce.
This road has really helped the economic impact of this community. There are farmers, but not only to the farmers, even to civil servants. Some of the civil servants that rented houses in the city, some of them are relocated to this place.
All the road it was Nddc, the construct of this Ifai Korokban, they are under Ifai Korokban community. They try very well. They try. There's nothing they can say that there is any mistake. Even the entire village were happy for this.
Cross River and Akwa Ibom are neighboring states in the Niger Delta, where several rural communities have endorsed the quality of projects executed by the Nddc without reservation. These projects, they say, have made a world of difference in their lives.
Inside the Niger Delta,